Eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grapevine, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Irving, Grapevine, Coppell, Southlake, and DFW Intel Airport around 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Euless around 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Prairie around 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cockrell Hill around 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include White Rock Lake, Joe Pool Lake, Mountain Creek Lake, Buckingham, Grapevine Lake, Louisville Lake, and West Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 423 and 454. Interstate 20 between mile markers 451 and 462. Interstate 30 between mile markers 27 and 49. Interstate 45 near mile marker 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.